Spectroscopy. So spectroscopy means the study of spectrum and also known as the interaction of radiation with the matter. So in that spectroscopy there is very variable spectroscopies, IR, UV visible and mass spectroscopy, electronic spectroscopy, rotational spectroscopy, vibrational spectroscopy. In your previous classes you already known about these type of spectroscopies. Today we will discussing about the UV visible spectroscopy. UV visible spectroscopy, in that we know about the measurement of the attenuation of beam of light passing through the sample and reflection from the sample. Ante when the source of radiation is fall on the sample and the reflection from the sample, that beam of light attenuation is measured by this UV visible spectroscopy. So in that we know about that how it happened. So this is the source. When we applied the light source on this matter, that matter is contains atoms or molecules. These absorbs the light energy. Then the energy of this is so excited to ground state to excited state. This is also known as the absorption spectroscopy. This is also known as the absorption spectroscopy. So the instrumentation of UV visible spectroscopy. So first one is the light source. Next one is the monochromator. Second one is the sample. Next is the detector. Next one is the readout device or recorder. So when the source, this is the polychromatic radiation. That means the source, when is applied on the sample, before that radiation is into the broad banded radiation into the narrow banded radiation by using the monochromator. That this monochromatic radiation is fall on the sample. In that sample that absorbs the radiation, and that there is the energy is converted into electrical energy and gives the signal to that recorder. So we know about the one by one source. So in that UV visible spectroscopy we use the deuterium lamp in the UV region at the wavelength is 200 to 400 nanometers, or tungsten halogen lamp in the visible region between the 400 to 750 nanometers. So this is the source which is used in that UV visible spectroscopy. Next one is the monochromator. This monochromator is used to the broad banded radiation is converted to single or narrow banded radiation which is requireable region for the sample. అంటే శాంపిల్కి ఏ రీజియన్ ఆఫ్ రేడియేషన్ అయితే అవసరమో దట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ బై దిస్ మోనోక్రోమాటిక్ రేడియేషన్. దీస్ ఆర్ 3 types. One is filter, next one is gratings and prisms. These are the monochromators which are gives the radiation to the sample. So next one is the sample. So the sample is taken in a cuvette. So that is the glass type of cuvette. This is in this shape of cylindrical shape. So next one is the detector. So detector means that convert the light energy into electrical energy, electrical signal. That means electrical signal that displayed are in the readout device. So in that we use photomultiplied device. In this we use photomultiplied tube is used as a detector. So detector, from that detector we observe the signal in the readout device. So this is about the UV visible spectrophotometry instrumentation. So source, monochromator, and the sample, detector, and the readout device. So second we know about the fluorometry or fluorescence spectroscopy. Fluorometry or fluorescence spectroscopy. So we all know about the fluorescence. We already studied in your earlier classes in the Jablonski diagram. So which is Jablonski diagram? So that Jablonski diagram we read about the electronic transitions from the ground state to excited states. When the radiation is absorbed by the molecules, there is a several excitations are taking place. So what is that fluorescence? When the radiation is absorbed by the atom or molecule, that is gone to excited to ground state, so that the energies are in the excited state unstable and they come to the relaxed to the ground state with some energy. In that the atoms or molecules from the excited state to ground state, they relaxed or so emitted radiation. So they are coming to the ground state from the excited state that are emitted some much of radiation. This process is known as the fluorescence. So that's when we know about the fluorescence spectroscopy. Ante how much of radiation is emitted from the excited state to ground state, we know about in that process of fluorescence. So we analyze the fluorescence from the principle of this is based on the Jablonski diagram. So the instrumentation of the fluorometry. The instrumentation of the fluorometry. So in this also light source, this is having the two types of monochromators. One is the excited monochromator. Next one is the sample. Next one is the emitted monochromator. This is the detector. Again, this is the recorder. So in this fluorometry we have two types of monochromators. One is the excited monochromator, second one is the emission monochromator. In this also the source. So we use the source in this is xenon arc. So in the fluorometry we use xenon arc. So this is gives the continuous spectrum. This is gives the continuous spectrum in the fluorometry. The sample is fall on the we take the excited monochromator. And in that fluorometry we have two states. One is the excited state, another one is the emission state. So excited monochromator, then we take a sample in the sample cavity. Then the emission monochromator, which is emitted by the sample, we read in the emission monochromator. In that monochromator, the light energy is converted into that detector. The light energy is converted into electrical signal which is observed in the readout device by the signals. Readout device by the signals. So in that is main point is the emission monochromator is placed on the 90 degrees to the source to gives the much results in that fluorometry. The main point in that fluorometry is the emission monochromator is kept to the 90 degrees to the source of this radiation. So this is about the fluorometry. So in that class we learn about the UV spectroscopy and the fluorescence or fluorometry spectroscopy. So we learn about the instrumentation of the UV visible spectroscopy and also the instrumentation of the fluorometry or fluorescence spectroscopy. Thank you.